channel. My name is Neil, and today I want to go over something very easy that anybody can do actually. Now, since majority of us don't really have the money or resources to sort of go out and wide body a Ferrari, I figured I can tackle something that's a little bit more accessible by everybody, and that's helmets. Essentially what I did was I just customized it using some window tint and applied that to maintain the overall aesthetic of the look that I'm going for, which is like a darker, more sleek look. Now, right now my car is gloss black. I wanted to sort of maintain that uniform aesthetic from that dark appearance of my car to my helmet. So I figured, you know, this can sort of be a good exercise that I can do to sort of do that and maintain that look. See, I mean, I do have window tint on my car, so I do like the privacy aspect of it. So I decided to tint the visor on my helmet as well. And I have done this in the past for my old helmet. And since I was in need of an upgrade, I figured why not apply this to the new one. So links are in the description for everything that I purchased to sort of complete this look. Anyway, cue the B-roll. So there you have it. It's pretty easy and simple mod that anybody can do. Pretty happy with the way it came out. And I thought it was a very quick and easy thing to do, sort of personalize yourself and your safety gear and sort of add some personality to, you know, whatever your setup is. Okay, battery died. But yeah, this channel is fairly new, so I'm more than open to any suggestions in terms of what you guys want to see. If you look at my previous video, you can see like my new warehouse studio space that I sort of created for myself. That way I have more freedom to create more diverse content for you guys. And I did obviously want to highlight my RX-7 as well, which I'll get to on in a later video. But until then, thanks for watching. I'm Neil. See you on the next video.